Okay guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my vlog again. Okay, this time around is going to be, we are heading for a big trip. We are riding from here to Malaysia and then to Thailand. First time on the bike, Singapore to Thailand. See you guys ahead. Take care. Okay guys, we currently at our first stop inside Malaysia. I purposely didn't film throughout the checkpoints earlier lah. It's very boring ah. I think this is Kulai. I think before Kulai, there's a petrol station. I'm not sure what station stop is this. Okay, as you guys know, we're heading for our big trip. This time around is towards Thailand. But I think we'll stay a night somewhere in Malaysia. Maybe in Ipoh or Kedah or somewhere. With my wife. Yeah, my bike Cruisim 300. Okay, hopefully everything is smooth. Okay, we're going to have our break first. Have our Ramly burger and drinks, and I smoke first. After that, we continue our journey. Okay, see you guys ahead. Okay, we currently still here at the petrol station, but we decided to eat our Ramly burger first. It's an instant one, the one that I already prepared at petrol station. Huh? Sorry? Yeah lah. Don't know nice or not lah. Okay, let's take a closer look at my bike. Okay, today we pack a lot a bit more lah because longer distance. So tahu bang, tadi saya dah abang tu. Terima kasih. Nowadays there's a lot of guys in bike approach you want to sell drinks I already rejected a few Actually I want to buy lah, but I already bought at the petrol station my Poca milk tea. Yeah. Regarding just now what I said Oh yeah, regarding storage. Okay, this scooter have a lot of storage space. Under seat, my box, but still full. My wife bags inside, and all the riding kits, emergency kits, all I put inside my box, under seat storage. And yeah, I resulted to bring my bag like this. Don't know how it works. I think should be fine. I tried just now from Singapore to Woodlands checkpoint. Till here lah. So far okay. Yeah, we'll carry on. Now I think we just like still in the before Kulai exit, I believe. After Skudai or Tampo, I don't know what. We'll carry on. See you guys next one. But yeah, let's see my wife eating. Okay. See you guys next one. Okay guys, we currently at Seremban R&R. Okay, stop again. This time around to eat. Very impressive Seremban R&R. Got AW, got Burger King, got this is Ramly Burger Restaurant. Yes, Ramly Restaurant. And guess what? We saw a cat again. Don't know why. There's so many cats at the R&R. And the best part, most of them are like very tiny kitten. And this one I think pregnant. Kitten already pregnant. Come, betina. Okay, after this we're going to eat first, then and continue our journey. Okay, this is what we are eating. I think I will eat this kind of nasi goreng. What are you having? The kway look good. The nasi goreng hijau also look good. Okay, this is what we're eating. I'm eating nasi goreng. I don't know why green color. And she eating bihun and egg sambal. Your head misiam goreng. Misiam goreng. Tu teo. I'm curious to test this green nasi goreng hijau. Good morning everyone. It's already day 2. We stopped a night at Ipoh, and today we're going to proceed to Thailand. Okay guys, currently we are on the way actually from Ipoh to Thailand, going through the Sadao border. We came across this viewpoint, I think still in Ipoh, which is quite nice, the viewpoint. My wife over there taking photo. Beautiful state, Ipoh. I'm impressed. Just not along the way with all the beautiful mountains and cave. Okay, we will proceed our journey right after this. See you guys ahead. Okay guys, after a long ride, finally we are close to the Sadao Thailand border. Currently we are buying insurance. The guy is preparing the insurance. Okay, see you guys ahead. Thai insurance. Documents done. Okay, we are already in Hat Yai, inside Thailand, successfully. Tomorrow we will proceed to the next destination. Should be Krabi, I think. Okay. Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, we just checked out from the hotel. This is our second day in Hat Yai. Okay, currently we just check out. We're heading to for brunch first, as always. Then after this, we will carry on riding our bike to Krabi. Actually, Hat Yai also is quite worth to stay a bit longer. Like maybe 2-3 days would be good. We'll see. Okay, it's too bad the place that we want to eat is closed, so I guess we just proceed with the bike first towards Krabi. See, on the way we will just stop somewhere and eat. Okay, by the way, oh, there's motor service center there. Okay, this is a place where I stay. V Ocean Palace. The good thing about this hotel, there's a parking space for car or motorcycle. There's my scooter. We need to take our bag first in the lobby. Shit. No, we cannot. We will just take the bike and go stop somewhere and eat. Maybe we'll stop at the Route 41 cafe. Shit. Go out again. Good hotel to stay. Okay, you are currently at a sticker shop. Of course, usually most rider when come to Thailand, they will like do a custom sticker shop with their Singapore or Malaysian bike plate number. I almost forgot about this sticker. Lucky that Han, Trey and Zah reminded me about this. So let's go. Oh, nice. Hello. Make sticker. Nice. I want the Singapore-Malaysia-Thailand one. I'm from Singapore. See, like this, Singapore-Malaysia-Thailand. Oh, okay. Can choose. Currently, I want to choose a size. I think for the front, this size okay. Or is it too big? I think it's okay because my windshield is big. Okay, we'll see. Still at sticker shop. Already decided which one I want, but need to wait a bit. 20 minutes. Cloudy day again, which is good lah. I hope it just don't rain lah. If it's cloudy, which means it's not hot. Which good to ride. Okay, see you guys later. Okay guys, we are currently on Route 41. heading to Route 41 Cafe before proceeding to Krabi. It's actually a midpoint. So we stopped by this 7-Eleven. The reason why, okay, riding on scooter, I noticed every 100 to 200 kilometer, actually 100, you start to feel ache on your butt. I think because of the sitting style on the scooter, which is a lot of the pressure actually goes to the butt instead of like motorcycle. You know, you split the pressure on your butt and your groin, right? On scooter, it's like, yeah, it's only on your butt. So yeah, we take 5 here. So this we are proceeding to Route 41 Cafe before continue to Krabi. Okay, see you guys ahead. Okay guys, we currently at Route 41 Cafe. Just reached. There's a few bikers group here. Nice place, I think a lot of bikers, Malaysian and Singapore bikers been here should know. I think from Singapore, Farhan also, I think he's been here before. Just ordered my food actually, then I came out to take video of the surrounding since the location is so nice. So basically all the group bikers here I can see is Malaysian bikers, Malaysia plate. Actually one big group just left, so now left another 2 group and me as a solo rider. Okay, come, let's go inside. A lot of stickers. I think this one is the selling all the shirt. I think this group is GS rider, a Malaysian group. Okay, let's see the place. We will go further deep later. Okay. Cafe. Waiting for our food.
You want to know something?
So what drink did you order, baby?
Hot tea.
Again?
Why?
Too much tea for a day.
Because you know why? I'm sitting under the aircon. Very cold.
Okay, my food has arrived. This is rice with southern curry chicken, mocha and tea. Her food haven't arrived yet. Okay. Okay, let's walk a bit on this Route 41 area. Cool . Prayer room for the Muslim. I think there's hotel here, so this one I think. Nice place.
Why you post your Insta story twice?
Let's check out the apparel store, souvenir shop. Okay.
Yeah, but I just want to serve the place for you, relax.
Actually, it's quite nice, especially this one. You want? Huh?
I just want to see. I have same cook, but maybe they you don't want to buy.
I want to ask first.
That's why.
Okay, finally we reached Krabi. After such a long ride, actually things that make it long because we made a lot of stops to the Route 41 Cafe and a few stops just to rest. We just checked in our hotel in Krabi. The hotel room is very nice. The hotel room, but it's quite far from the night markets from the beach lah. But it's okay lah. I mean like there's shuttle bus. Also we can just ride our bike there. Quite big the TV for a not so expensive hotel lah. And quite large also. Okay. How's the toilet lah? Is it good?
Ni bau ke apa?
No lah, maybe for handicapped people or injured people. Okay lah, decent. It's good lah. We're not sure yet how long we're going to be staying in Krabi. Maybe 2 nights. Okay guys, check it out. Just now, when I enter the hotel, when I check in, there's only like 2 bikes including me. Now suddenly, wow, all the big bikes, Malaysian bikers. Wow, crazy. This is crazy, man. Okay. Good morning from Krabi. Okay, good morning. We just check out from our hotel that we stayed last night because they are fully booked. For me to extend the stay there, anyway the hotel also actually not that good. Besides looking nice, the aircon is not consistent, the water pressure is not consistent, so we decided just change to nearby hotel. Actually we got a reason why we never like make advance booking for everything, especially on a bike trip. You cannot like pre-plan everything perfectly, so it's better to have rough plan. Currently we just did some money change. Nice, actually almost afternoon already. Nice afternoon in Aonang Krabi. So we'll stay another night in Krabi, just like sightseeing, maybe swimming at the beach. We'll see after this before we head up to somewhere else. Okay, good afternoon guys. Okay, after the money change that we did, we passed by this street, saw a stretch of I think decently priced restaurant. Coincidentally this one is halal food. So for all the Muslim, they got also selling the pancake, the Thai pancake, the roti. So far good weather today. We're having our brunch first. It's always a brunch for us since we really wake up early for breakfast. Even though it's on holiday, it's not that we wake up late but usually like maybe 9 o'clock. It's about that time. I think brunch is perfect. So you skip lunch, we don't feel too heavy for your adventure throughout the day. Okay, see you guys later. Okay, our brunch has arrived. Tom yum fried rice. Hey, what drink is this, babe? Green color.
Ice green tea.
Oh, ice green tea.
You don't like green tea?
Mine is just a normal chicken fried rice, iced coffee. But somebody sip my iced coffee until like that.
Hey, don't drama.
Oh shit. Look at this woman. It also must have fan. I don't know whether that fan is to make the food cold or to make you cold. This is weird. Okay guys, this is the hotel we're checking in. Hula Hula Aonang. Nice hotel. Hula Hula Resort, Aonang Beach. Shock. Ooh, the swimming pool. Shock lah. Actually, it's quite near to the last night hotel. Just opposite. Because I lazy to pack everything on the bike and ride the bike to the next hotel if the hotel is further. So I just pick the hotel at opposite. I just carry and cross over, and then I rode my bike later to this hotel. Okay guys, I think this is one of the nicest hotel I ever checked in. It's been a while I checked in this kind of hotel. Usually that as long as sleep for night is fine, but this time I just decided to splurge a bit. Pampered this lady. It's already here. You dreaming, you do what? You play phone Okay, this is the room. Check it out. Actually, the things that make it nice,
The room first.
it's not the room, it's this.
Wow.
This for you, baby.
Ini
Pool access. Huh?
what's this?
It's a bathtub lah, outside. Big
Outside
bathtub.
of the toilet?
Long bathtub, yeah. Wow. Hey, can you shut the door?
Don't want.
Awesome. Let's check it out. Wow. Nice. Okay guys, guess what time is this for? Here we go. Damn, the water is cold. Nice. Okay, we are currently at Aonang Beach. Quite beautiful. But the water, I think currently the current is a bit strong. The wave is also strong. Nice. Currently at the famous landmark of Krabi, the ikan todak. What they call ikan todak in English? Swordfish. How can I forget that? Them. Okay. Aonang shops, restaurant along the beach. Not bad. What should I eat later? Still thinking. By the way, talking about holiday, it's really feel good, man. After 2 years stuck in Singapore, ever since the circuit breaker, finally. Crazy woman, what the hell are you doing?
Titanic.
Okay, Titanic. Okay, interestingly, at the end side of Aonang Beach, I saw people walking up there. So I'm going to check it out. Curious, where it lead to? We'll see. The sea is so strong. It's the season. Want to swim or not?
Want to swim or not?
I anything.
Do you want to swim?
We'll see where that road lead to. Not road lah.
Wow.
That path. Road pula. Let's see. Okay, you want to run? Come, want to run? Run. Okay, this is the road, guys. The path. I'm not sure where does this lead to. Wow. Look at that. Okay, so I know already. What's this place for? For taking photo, taking picture. See, it's like a viewpoint. Viewpoint. Wow, can dive here. Can dive. Baby, come here. But it's nice to take photo here actually. I got an idea. See you guys soon. Look at what this woman want to do. Okay, dive. Dive. It's okay. I can claim insurance. Okay, guess what we found? I don't know what's this for. It's a container. We just walk further up the path and we saw this. Oh, interesting. Wow. Don't know what is this for. I think it's a place for people doing project. Late night. Wow. Wow. This is why sometimes I just like to go random path. Just try and go see what's there. Quite nice, the cave. Huh?
We'll get up there.
Up some more. Okay lah. When I was younger, I will do it lah. Now I lazy already. Not that adventurous anymore. Can you hold the camera for it? Okay, I want to light cigarette.
Oh, I thought you want to go up.
Okay, write our name there. Fizo was here. Is here or was here? I consider. Was ah. Okay, guess what we are buying as usual. Was in Thailand, must eat Thai pancake. I can pull. This is in full, but worth it.
Do you miss this?
Yeah, of course. Of course I miss this. It's been like what, 3 years?
Double egg này. Double này.
What I want to eat?
เต้นบ้าง
ถ้าคนไม่มาแค่ได้เพื่อคนมา
Roast beef.
พ่อบัง
I know.
เพื่อเขามาวัน
Baby. One
เคสบีฟ
beef. Two. No. Beef one. Chicken one.
ร้าน
ฮัลโหล
Oh, this one I like.
โอเคนะ
Okay.
Ini kunyit.
ถ้าคนมา
Nice.
วันนี้ส้มตำ
คนตามไม่พูด
I know. I don't know how to eat.
แมงโก้สลัดปาปายาสลัด
Oh.
อร่อยบ้าง
น้อง
มีกู้
น้องเลยนะขอที่หนูอันนี้หรือกันหรือว่ามานะ
Chicken liver, chicken gizzard. Liver good. I know good, but I don't know to eat. I don't know how to eat.
Makan sini ya?
No, packet. Makanan cannot.
No problem ka.
Take away lah, or take away.
Take away. Can buy garlic bread also?
Ada beda ada beda.
Oh, buy already.
Okay.
You can have one.
Can buy extra? Garlic bread. 2 more. 2 lagi. I like garlic bread.
Okay. 1,090. Wow.
B, you eat one more. Take video. Oh.
Take one more.
Okay. By the way, this is banana Nutella. Okay, I cannot resist a chicken kebab for 60 baht. Look good, look nice. By the way, the mosque is nice.
The golden hour.
Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, this is how we pack our stuff. This is already full. And this is also full. How about the big bag? Ni, the big bag.
Here lah.
Okay.
Apa dah? Kenapa? Your mug.
No, it's not the mug. No, it's not that. It's this. Here we are checking out from the hotel in Krabi. This is a second hotel actually. We changed hotel after the first night. Since the first night hotel is fully booked for the day after. And currently we are heading to Phuket. Got a lot of stuff to carry. Lucky it's a scooter. Or else if a normal motorcycle, we definitely need a side box, big one. Okay, proceed our journey. We are about to head to Phuket and suddenly we saw this stretch of cafe and restaurant with a nice view. So we decided to stick here for a while. Nice. Nice view. Further up the water is blue turquoise. Around here is very murky like I think it's the sand. It's the sand. No, because the wave is strong, so it brings up the sand, make the water color near the shore very brownish. This is what Thailand boatman ever told me back then when I always went to island trips. The beach always look the nicest when the current is not strong, when the wave is not strong. When it's strong, it always look like this.